The Premier has flown out of Adelaide, hoping to shore up the long-term future of Holden's manufacturing plant at Elizabeth. His 11-day visit to the United States will include a meeting with the CEO of Holden's parent company, General Motors. But the opposition has questioned how much the trip will achieve.
It was an early start for the Premier at Adelaide Airport, setting out on his first overseas trip since taking the top job nearly 3 months ago. At the top of his agenda, the challenges facing the car manufacturing industry.
This is a very important industry for South Australia. Lots of workers and their families depend on these jobs.
The Federal Manufacturing Minister, Senator Kim Carr, will join Mr Weatherill at a meeting with GM CEO Dan Akerson in Detroit.
We share the concerns that Senator Carr's expressed about the future of Holden's in Australia, and of course that means there are concerns about the future for Holden's in South Australia.
Mr Weatherill says he wants assurances regarding Holden's long-term commitment to the Elizabeth factory.
I think the news will be quite positive actually. We build good product here, and General Motors, I think more and more want to build their vehicles where they're going to sell them. Exporting cars at the moment is really bad for companies.
The trip also includes stopovers in cities such as New York and Los Angeles and meetings with credit ratings agencies Standard & Poor's and Moody's.
I suspect that this trip is actually motivated by the fact that we are about to lose our AAA credit rating, and the Premier wants to go overseas so that he can come home and blame international economic forces for the downgrading of this state's economy.
The Premier returns to Adelaide on January the 17th. James Hancock, ABC News, Adelaide.